The fact where the heavy barricading has been done, the BJP workers have come towards this barricade. They have dethroned the barricade. Right now, we are here. The second water cannon is being used over here. Bricks have been pelted on the police over here. Over here, as you can see, that there is a riot control vehicle as well. This is the second such water cannon that is being used to disperse the crowd. Now, this is one of the simultaneous rallies that are happening throughout the city of Kolkata and Howrah to Gherao Nabanno. Right now, where we are, this is Malik Phatak in Howrah, wherein the police are trying to dislodge this crowd. They are trying to move the crowd away from the barricades. Massive brick pelting has happened, and after that the police has resorted to firing of tear shell. They are using this water cannons over here to push these people back. As you can see on our live frame, that these people are being pushed back. These people are being pushed back right now. Massive use of water cannons to make sure that these people are moved back. As you can see, you are watching the live images from Howrah's Malik Phatak area, and that is the reason these people are using heavy water cannons to drive these people back. You heard how tear shells were fired over here to drive these people back. There was brick throwing from the crowd towards the police. Multiple such rallies and protests have been happening throughout the city of Howrah and Kolkata, and one more of these have been multiple of these rallies are happening throughout the two cities of Howrah and Kolkata. Right now, as you can hear, one more of these tear shells are being fired. Generally, this is a riot control vehicle which is being used. This one behind me is a water cannon. If we just look behind the deployment of the police, we'll be able to understand how heavy the arrangements are. Two more such vehicles are behind us. These are water cannons, and there are many people who are in front of us. Police is resorting to lathi charge to push the crowd back, but however, they have been able to restrict the crowd till that particular barricade. Over here, we are showing you live images of what is happening over here. You can see the heavy deployment of Bengal police and Howrah police over here. Water cannons once again being used by the West Bengal police to push these people back. This is a part of the Nabanno Abhijan that the BJP has called for, and multiple such rallies were being conducted throughout the two cities of Howrah and Kolkata, and this is the one in which Tejaswi Surya is a part of. As you can see,
those live updates from Kolkata, where this BJP march that had been planned, and according to the protest that has also been taking place on the death of a BJP councillor that happened in Titagarh, we go back to the live coverage of Suryagini from Kolkata.
Right now, these are live visuals of Howrah city. As you can see, these people are being arrested. Multiple protests throughout the city of Howrah and Kolkata were conducted throughout the day. The program has been called by the BJP. They are terming it Nabanno Gherao. Nabanno, once again, is the sitting Chief Minister's office, the State Secretariat. Now, as it is the Chief Minister's office, no rally or any kind of gathering is permissible around that particular building, as Section 144 stays over there. And however, the BJP still went on with this program of theirs, and right now in Howrah's Maulik Fatak area. The road that we are standing at, it goes to the Chief Minister's office, and right now you can see that how the police have stopped them. The BJP's program was to make sure that they are able to do this rally. However, in all the places, be it Kolkata or in Howrah, the police have been able to stop them. They haven't been able to move ahead. Heavy deployment of Bengal police, of Howrah police, rapid action force. As we showed you, there are 3 water cannons right with us over here, and the BJP workers, and they are being arrested for violation of the Disaster Management Act. The West Bengal government had issued notices to the Bengal Bharatiya Janata Party Yuva Morcha wing that they cannot assemble with more than 100 people. However, these people went on with the rally, and this is what happened just a while back. As you can see, it's completely barricaded heavily, and the police have stopped them over here. You're seeing live visuals, how you're seeing, okay, one particular individual who's arrested, he's being acting unruly with the police. Now you can see these are live visuals from Howrah's Maulik Fatak area. These are live visuals from Kolkata, from Howrah, where we are live, and this is a part of BJP's Nabanno Gherao initiative that they had called for. Well, right now the police are moving towards the point where the supporters had assembled. We are with the police over here. You can see the deployment. The deployment speaks enough. Behind me, there are 3 such water cannons. And apart from the deployment of the RAF, that is the Rapid Action Force and everything, there are riot control vehicles as well, which is something which is not generally seen in every rally. Right now, we saw how tear shells were fired, and right now we are still here in बीजेपी के नबान्नो घेराव अभियान में उन लोगों को स्टेट गवर्नमेंट की तरफ से नोटिस दिया गया था कि 100 लोगों की ज़्यादा से भीड़ नहीं होनी चाहिए और पीसफुल प्रोटेस्ट सरकार अलाउ करती है नेशनल डिजास्टर मैनेजमेंट एक्ट के तहत। लेकिन यहाँ पे जो हमने देखा और पूरे कोलकाता और दूसरे जगहों पे हम लोगों ने देखा कि बहुत सारे लोगों की भीड़ थी, मल्टीपल रैलीज हो रही थी। तेजस्वी सूर्या इस पर्टिकुलर रैली में थे जहाँ पे हम लोग अभी खड़े हैं। इस रास्ते से सीधा अगर हम जाएं तो ये नौबान्नो है। नौबान्नो चीफ मिनिस्टर का, सिटिंग चीफ मिनिस्टर का ऑफिस है। वहाँ पे हर वक्त सेक्शन 144 जो है वो रहता है, वहाँ पे कोई असेंबली नहीं हो सकती। लेकिन बीजेपी का ये नौबान्नो अभियान जिसको वो लोग कह रहे हैं वो उनको करना था और पुलिस ने उनको रोका। और हम अभी भी देख सकते हैं कि कैसे हावड़ा में यहाँ पे भीड़ को पीछे ढकेला गया है। भीड़ को पुलिस ने टीयर गैस से लेकर वाटर कैनन से लेकर लाठीचार्ज को लेकर पुलिस ने उन लोगों को पीछे ठेला है। ये लाइव विजुअल्स हैं यहाँ के हावड़ा के। इस रास्ते पर अगर हम सीधा जाएं तो ये रास्ता मेरे पीछे की तरफ मुख्यमंत्री का ऑफिस आता है और उसी को घेराव करने के लिए बहुत सारे ऐसे रैलीज थे। यहाँ पे टीयर गैस जो है लगातार पुलिस जला रही है। टीयर गैस यहाँ पर पुलिस की तरफ से हेवी बैरिकेडिंग है। टीयर गैस जो है फायर किया जा रहा है और भीड़ को पीछे ढकेला गया है। ये एक ही रैली नहीं है, मैं फिर से कह दूं, ये एक ही रैली नहीं है और अभी तक भीड़ जो है वो वहां पर भीड़ जो है वो अभी तक पीछे है, इसके हमारे सामने है और टीयर गैसेस कॉन्स्टेंटली जलाए जा रहे हैं यहाँ पर। और टीयर गैस बहुत ही स्ट्रॉन्ग है और हम भी उसको फील कर सकते हैं। और इस टीयर गैस के आधार पर भीड़ को पीछे ढकेला गया है। वाटर कैनन्स भी यूज़ किए गए हैं और अगर मैं आपको बताऊं कि डिप्लॉयमेंट जो है पुलिस की, रैफ की, हावड़ा पुलिस, पश्चिम बंगाल पुलिस और रैपिड एक्शन फोर्स से लेकर जनरली हम देखें तो राइट कंट्रोल व्हीकल्स जो होते हैं वो जनरली रैलीज में यूज़ नहीं होते, लेकिन इनपुट जो पुलिस के पास आया था कि शायद सिचुएशन जो है वो आउट ऑफ कंट्रोल हो सकता है और उसी को देखते हुए पुलिस ने कोई भी कसर नहीं छोड़ी। यहाँ पर करीबन हजारों की भीड़ थी बीजेपी की, जो उनका मानना है कि बहुत सारे इश्यूज को लेके वो नबान्नो घेराव करना चाहते हैं। फिर से एक बार बता दूं, नबान्नो जो है वो सिटिंग चीफ मिनिस्टर का ऑफिस है और वहाँ पे हर वक्त 144 सेक्शन जो है वो लागू रहता है, वहाँ पे कोई घेराव नहीं कर सकता सिटिंग नबान्नो को, और उसी को यहाँ पे हावड़ा में रोका गया। कोलकाता में भी कई जगहों पे ऐसे प्रदर्शन सामने हो रहा था, लेकिन उसको भी रोका गया। पुलिस ने भीड़ को यहाँ पर रोका, उनको पीछे ढकेला, लेकिन भीड़ जो है वो अभी तक यहाँ पर है। अब ये रास्ता जो हमारे पीछे है ये सीधा नबान्नो तक जाता है और आज हालांकि नबान्नो जो है वो बंद है, लेकिन पुलिस ने कोई भी चांस नहीं लिया और उन्होंने ना कि सिर्फ यहाँ पर बल्कि कोलकाता में भी और हावड़ा के दूसरे जगहों में भी ऐसे सभाओं को, ऐसी रैलीज को रोका है।